Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can send gifts in Apex Legends. So before you start, you need to be at least level 50 in order to gift someone a item on Apex Legends. You can only gift items that can be purchased with the Apex credits right here or Apex coins, and in order to gift someone you must have friended with them for at least 2 weeks. So with that being said, let's head over to store. In here, let's say that we want to go ahead and gift this item, so I'll simply click on it. You then have the gift option, but also you have to make sure that the login verification is enabled, and that's going to be inside your EA Games account. So let's click sign in, wait for it to actually load in. I'm using my Google account right here. Basically, this Google account is connected with Steam. So you want to click on your profile, which is going to be at the top corner of your screen. In here, click account setting. And simply once inside, you want to navigate through the security and privacy. Now in here, just make sure that the two-factor authentication or login verification is turned on. So click on the proceed button, click send code, and just do the on-screen instructions. Make sure that you have verified this specific two-factor authentication, restart your Apex Legends, and from here, you can then go ahead and navigate through the gift option. But of course, once again, as I've previously mentioned, you need to be at least level 50, login verification must be turned on, recipient must be friended from the Apex friend system for at least 2 weeks, and make sure that you're gifting to the right account. So that's going to be all the requirements. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.